Marcano Studios. Hey kids, welcome to the Let's Talk About Sound Effects series. Are you ready to talk about some sound effects?
Yeah!
Great, let's go. We are gonna talk about some sound effects together. Some sound effects are fetish and some sound effects are normal. Let's get going. Some sounds are short, which is Mizuna's peeing sound effect. Some sounds are medium, which is Ella the One's pooping sound effect. And some sound effects are very long, which is Aria's 2-minute farting sound effect. Sound effects are everywhere. Sound effects are all over the place. Let's talk about sound effects.
In today's talking about sound effect is the pooping sound effect from Genescus. Hello guys, IRL Noella here, and this is the first episode of the Let's Talk About Sound Effects series from Season 3. This time, I'm going to talk about the pooping sound effect from Genescus. It's from a video called Damn, No Toilet Paper Anywhere. It was uploaded 1 year ago on 2024, January 15th. The duration of the sound effect is 004 to 005. The total is 1, because it's a short sound effect. The farting sound effect will be removed at the beginning, and the dun 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 sound effect will be removed at the end. Here's what it sounds like. See? That's what it sounds like. This sound effect is used for my O-season characters when they poop in the toilet. Remember kids, if you want to use that sound effect, use it in your videos. But be sure to give credit to Genescus before using his sound effect. Also, I will link the video right here, and it will be in the description. This sound effect starts at 004, and it ends at 005. Make sure you remove the farting sound effect at the beginning, and the dun 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 sound effect at the end, okay? And I will see you later in the next episode.